If you're getting a 7-zip error while extracting AutoHotkey, don't worry. This usually happens while extracting the zip file, not during installation. Now, one very common reason for this issue is your antivirus. Sometimes Windows Security or any antivirus program may block part of the file during extraction, and when that happens, 7-zip throws an error. So here's what you can try. Open your antivirus program. If you're using Windows Security, open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings. Here you'll see something called Real-Time Protection. Temporarily turn it off. After that, try extracting the file again. If the extraction works, that means your antivirus was blocking it. Only do this if you downloaded AutoHotkey from the official website. And once you're done, turn Real-Time Protection back on immediately. Now, honestly, the easiest solution is this. If you're getting a 7-zip error while extracting AutoHotkey, the simplest fix is to avoid the zip file and download the exe installer instead. The exe version doesn't require extraction at all. You just double-click it and install normally. And in most cases, that completely fixes the problem. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.